Yep, that's me. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this flower design that you see on your screen in the upper left corner to do this bomb glow up set available on my website. So as you can see here, I'm starting off with an already ombre press on now, which is two different types of pinks. I'm going to start using a gel liner that I love. Nails by Dev killed it with the black is black. When I tell you it's the black is black, it's the black is black. That's why I use it for all of my letterings, all of my outlines. It's just perfect. I'll leave the link in the description box so that you may do the same. Trust me. Yeah, I sent you. I sent you. But we're going to do the branches of the flowers first. As you can see, and it does not have to be perfect because it's not perfect in real life. Nothing's perfect in real life. Even this video, well, not the video because I spent my time on a video, but all of my videos, I'm just going to watch it with you guys and do my voiceover. My voiceover is going to have a lot of cut-ins, a lot of personality because that is me. Trust me. Now I'm going to do my flowers here. And the flowers, you know how when we was little, we did the little dainty flowers where it's just little 4 petals and, it just looked like a flower to us. But as I was doing nails, I realized that you got to do 5 petals so it can look like a flower, like a real flower. All right. You have to get to reality as close as possible. So you have to do 5 petals. Trust me when I tell you guys, not 4. 5. In some cases, you can do 4, depending on what you're going for. But here, I'm going to do 5 petals. And after I do the 5 petals, I'm going to cure. Remember to cure after you do it because you don't want it to mess up during your process. I know you lying. No, I didn't go out of frame. Okay, I went out of frame, you guys. But I'm still going to tell you guys what I was doing. With the lighter pink, I'm doing it little light, just really, really light. Light pink, light. I took off most of the polish off the brush and just really lightly went over the white petals. After that, I did the little buds. You got to do the little baby buds at the ends of the branches. And I did like 3 on each branch. So you do the little baby buds. You take the white polish and leave a little ball at the tip. We usually try to not do the ball at the tip, but with this method, you're going to do a little ball at the tip. You place it down at the end of the branch, and then you slightly, do the little boop. And then after that, I cure, of course. Like I said, cure. 30 seconds, real quick, cure it. Then everything that you did with the bigger flowers, you do with the little baby buds because, yes, they're going to grow up to be those big flowers. Again, closest to reality as possible. So right now, I'm showing you that I do exactly that. The light polish on it with the light pink and then the darker color pink. So you center it just like you center it on the big flowers, you center it on the baby buds. And that will complete the whole look of it, guys. Trust me when I tell you. Being that this is my intro vid, even though I know if y'all look back on my YouTube channel, you'll see like when it first started, I started to treat YouTube just like yes, I'm going to give you a backstory because yes, this is me. But while I talk fast because I am from New York, I talk fast. We try to get things done and over with. But while sis catch up to my voiceover, I'm going to give you a little backstory. So I've been doing nails since 2019. Yes, I am a COVID learner. I am class of YouTube. Yes, YouTube University taught me during COVID. So it's been almost 6 years. Sheesh. Yes, almost 6 years that I've been doing nails. So I started because my mom, I love her, she was going crazy when COVID happened and all of the nail salons closed. So, I mean, like crazy. Like most of us was like, oh my God, everything is closing. So most of us had to learn and do what we had to do. I mean, I learned nails. I learned how to cut my son's hair. I learned how to just do majority of everything because of the closing of the stores and the closing of the world. But yeah, so that's my backstory. And then all of my friends started coming and we just continued to do our own, well, I continued to do everybody's nails. And yeah, that just became a bonding experience and I loved it. So fast forward, I moved to Atlanta. So now, oh, sorry guys. She caught up a little bit. The black dots is just another detail. Details are everything. You have to put detailing into your work. When you put detailing in your work, it pops. It makes everything pop. I'm going to do a separate video where I'm just going to give you guys the backstory because my backstory is kind of, interesting. Not going to lie. But anyway, after you do the black dots, you have to cure that as well. When you do the black dots, instead of flash curing, you cure the whole thing. And then you top it off, of course, with the gloss coat and you make it glossy and popping. You could also actually make it matte and matte is popping as well. For real. Like, not gonna lie. Yeah, I love me some matte, especially the satin matte. But that is how you do the flower design. That's how you achieve it. And this is the rest of the set. You let me know in the comments if you want me to do each nail tutorial. And trust me, like I told you, quick and easy. I'm not going to make it slow because I don't like those videos. But if you want them slow, let me know in the comments. Just say slower. And I'll give you those tutorials. But I'm obsessed. Ate it up.